we are very happy that we've come to this exposition. Wonderful arrangement, absolutely systematic, ekdam samke peaceful bore bhashen arrange kela. No dirt, spick and span, cleanliness everywhere. So this is what I praise the government of Goa. The Chief Minister, who is the chairman of the Exposition Committee, the ministers, and most importantly, the person who's worked behind to make this exposition a grand success, that is the Exposition Commissioner, Sandeep Jakis. He is really, a person day and night who's put in tireless efforts to put up such a grand show. Now only I have got one small suggestion. आता Christmas lagi pauta. And wo pa exposition pa ha to kobar zatalo 5 January. That is 5th of January exposition gets over. So we will be in the Christmas season. So also my suggestion to the government, to the Chief Minister, to the Minister Alex Sequeira and the others, to see that there is Christmas fervor in this entire complex. So exposition and Christmas can go hand in hand. The basilica can be well lit with Christmas lights. The Sey Cathedral also can be well lit. You can install a big Christmas tree somewhere here in the beautiful courtyard, nicely decorated. You can have a nice crib, and all the people of the world will appreciate this. People of Goa will appreciate that, yes, Christmas hand in hand with exposition, because for the first time this exposition is coinciding with the Christmas season. देखून म्हजी मागणी गोंयच्या सरकाराक की हे मातशें तुमी चोत्राय दुरात आनी हे क्रिसमस फर्वर पळय हा ते येवन हे एक्सपोजिशनाक देव बरें करूं.